for the channel. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. I've played this a little bit. Oh my gosh. But I have not played this in a very long time. Go up. Okay. This is very disorienting. Go. Um, ah! Oh my gosh, dude. What the frick? Dude, Okay, I do not like this cube at all. Alright, we're doing okay? Looks like, nope, not up there. Oh, okay, up there. Yes, I survived. No, okay. Almost died. Alright, cool. Click the button. I clicked it. I clicked the button. Get ready to throw snow ornaments at the tree. The player with the most ornaments. What? Oh, on the tree? At the tree. Throw. Doo-doo. I'm also, from last video, I'm pretty sure you guys actually can't hear the game audio. So I'm sorry about that. I don't really know how to fix that. But, I mean, I guess I'll try to fix it. But I don't know if I'll be able to. Anyways, let's just throw more ornaments on this tree. Alright, we're doing pretty good. We got 17 ornaments on it right now. 19, we're at 20 ornaments. Doing pretty good right now. Time's up. Alright, who won? Yes! Let's go! Victory's mine. Where's the button? Click it. Oh, I didn't click it. Get on the green platform! Okay. Dude, why are they on the red platform? The heck? What's that about? Click. I clicked it. Haha. Go, click. Red. Red! There's no one else going over here. Oh, okay. We got 2 people. Oh, shoot, it's still going? Blue. It wouldn't be the same corner twice, right? Oh, get on! No! It was the same corner twice, turns out. Let me just make sure I'm recording. Yup. We're cool. Alright. Oh, okay, those people are non-alive anymore. Okay, cool. Click the button. Okay, press the button. Okay, I think I clicked it. Try walking on the correct path. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, okay. You can't jump on this. Oh, okay. This is, okay. Cool there. No! Oh, wait. I don't die. Do. It's gotta be that way. And then this way? It's gotta be. Yeah. Okay, this one? Yep. Okay. This one? Yep. This one? Ah! Come on. Go. Alright. It's gotta be this one. Nope. Okay. It's not that one. Go. Hurry. No! I didn't reach the end. No. Click the button. Oh, I didn't click the button. Oh my gosh! Dude! Freaking got jump scared by this tornado. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, we're still going. Okay. Give me the coins. Dude. I did not. No. Oh, I'm still alive. Yes. I don't know how I'm alive right now. Oh my gosh. Click. I clicked it. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a train. Yeah, it said I like trains. I don't think you guys could hear that, but that's what it said, and then there's a train. A lever is hiding somewhere in the bushes. Okay. Don't see it there. Nope. No. Not there. Wait, whoa. Oh. Someone found it. Just found the lever. Head inside the temple and open the treasure chest. Okay. Alright. Parkour. I could do that. Hold on, let me just turn that on. Alright. Wee! 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 Ah! Oh, okay. Cool, 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 cool. Whoa, 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 hey. Wow, I opened the treasure. That's pretty cool. Okay, cool. I'm gonna press the button. No, 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 come on, Chris. Oh, I didn't click the button. It's time for trivia. Oh boy. How many A's are there in avocado? 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah! 10 coins. That's pretty cool. Oh, I didn't click the button. Oh, okay. I want this coin. Doing. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, cool. Oh, someone clicked the button. Get ready to play dodgeball. Your goal is to eliminate the opposite team. Oh shoot. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm lagging. Ah! Oh, I think I hit somebody. Ah! It's only me. Yeah! I clutched it for my team. Nice job, team. Okay. Bubble wrap. Oh, you guys can't hear this right now. It's amazing though. At least I don't think you can hear it. Oh my gosh. It's bubble wrap. Actually, it's a bit loud. My ears are kind of like not really enjoying this anymore. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, okay, okay. I'm just gonna mute the volume. Okay, I'll turn it up just a little bit. That was very painful to my ears. That is very loud. Okay, button. Try walking. Oh boy, this one again? Okay. Okay, we're cool. Okay, got it. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, okay. No, 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 it's this one. Ah! Okay. Alright. Let's see. Let me just make sure it's still recording really quick, because I've made that mistake many times in the past. Alright, we're on the last one. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, I didn't reach the end. No. I clicked the button, though. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got an obby? Okay. Uh, uh, uh. Oh. Alright. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Okay, got it. Uh, e, ooh, Okay, we're cool. We're cool. We're very cool. Ew, yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, I did it. Let's go. Yeah. Push the button. I clicked it. Yay. Oh, come on. I don't like this at all. Oh, how am I alive? Also, I just realized these people are like the exact same avatar. Oh, never mind. That guy just. Oh, okay. They're all. Okay. Never mind. Oh, I'm dead too. Yeah, that person and that person are like the exact. Oh, how did. What did I just do? I was not paying attention at all. That's fine. Okay, this one. Yes. This one? Yeah. Okay. No! Come on! I should have just walked forward. Okay, what's next? Hello. What is... Oh. Okay. Hello, noob. Okay. Geez. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is going a lot further than I thought it was gonna go. Hey, right there. Oh, ah, oh! Um, 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 um. You guys didn't see nothing. See, it's all 5. Oh! It's lagging! Ah! 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 I'm making very strange sounds right now. Oh! Ah! Ah! I'm dead. Oh, that guy died too. Wow. Who's still alive? Why is the game going? What? Why is this going still? What's in the shop? Part gear shop. Ooh. What's this? What the frick is that? I'm just gonna click the button. Okay. Wait, Lyndon the chef is missing ingredients to bake. Oh no. Okay. Looks like this is a little bit of an obby. Oh yeah, let's go interact. Let's go. Anything behind there? Nope. Oh, somebody already got that. Alright, cool. Click the button. I'm getting ready to click this button. Oh, you made a cake! Wow. It's amazing. Oh. Click the button. Yummy. Find the correct pad. Oh. It's not the correct pad. This one. Come on, this one's gotta be. Alright. Oh, he found the correct pad. Wow. 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 Click. Okay, there we go. Wait, what? I have the hot dog? Oh, passed it. Oh, run away. Okay, don't like it. He's gonna die. Goodbye, my friend. It's nice knowing you. Well, he's gone. Ow. Hand just popped. Jeez. A button disappeared. Why is there Mario music playing? The heck? Do, 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 do. Where's the button? Oh, they found the button. Okay, that's cool. Why? Okay. What? Okay. What? Okay. We got it. We got this. It's gotta be the edge somewhere, right? I'm not seeing it. Dude, where's this button? What the heck? Where's the button? Oh, okay. I guess that's okay. Fine. I did not click the button that time. Very sad. Everyone's getting smaller. Okay, I'm just tiny now. Hey guys. Okay, I'm just a small person now. Oh, okay. I'm back to normal. Go to the end of the road while the traffic light is green. Oh wow, it's almost like I've played this before. Okay, here we go. Alright, alright. Alright, we're still good. Come on! Green light, okay. Yellow light's when you stop. Because red light's right after it. Green light. Yes! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on! Come on, I'm so close! Green light! Yes! First one. Oh! Oh! That person is long gone. Okay. Green light. Come on, this person's got to do it. Wait, can I change? No. Okay. Come on. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. No! Well, that's kind of... Is that... Click it. I clicked it. Aha. What's next? Oh, dodgeball again? Okay. As you guys know, I'm a pro dodgeball player. Yeah, Yada. Oh, oh, yes, they only got one person left. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah! Let's go. Victory. Okay, press the button. I clicked it. Aha. Oh boy. Okay. Got ourselves a little obby. Alright, I'll get this one this time. Oh boy. Okay. That, there, that, this, there, that, pow, boom, this. Interact. I got the milk. Oh, okay. Make us some cake. Pa, 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 pa. Man, who do just smacking sugar very hard could make a cake. I can't even see this cake. I just see these guys' legs. Okay. Yummy. Alright. Oh, I didn't press the button. Wait. Oh, okay. Ornaments. This is like the second game we played. Alright, I got this. I did it once before. Do it again. Oh, come on. Why is it bouncing off? What is that? Do, do, do. Very nice Christmas music, even though it's not Christmas time anymore. Unless you're like watching this from the future or something. Ooh, why can I not click? What? What? Okay, that was weird. That is a lot of ornaments in that front place over there. Oh, I got more. Okay, come on. I won, right? Yeah, let's go. I'm the master ornament placer person. Okay. A diamond is in the cave. Collect it before anyone else does. I'm on this way. Oh, okay, never mind. They're probably right. They know what they're doing. Oh, okay, they got the diamond. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. Played a lot of games. Well, I'm dead. Okay, well, guess that's perfect time to end the video. Alright, bye.